The Hong Kong economy grew by 4.3% in real terms in the third quarter of 2011 over a year earlier. It was a further moderation of growth seen in the second quarter. It was mainly due to a sharp fall-off in exports towards the end of the quarter, affected by the global economic environment. Total exports of goods saw a modest year-on-year decline of 2.2%, while services exports increased 6.6%. The labor market showed broad-based improvements during the quarter. Total employment rose successively to new record highs, pushing the seasonally adjusted unemployment rate down to 3.2%, the lowest in 13 years. Underlying consumer price inflation, which nets out the effect of the government relief measures, rose from 5% in the previous quarter to 6.1%. The forecast rates of headline and underlying consumer price inflation for this year as a whole was marked down slightly to 5.2% and 5.3% from 5.4% and 5.5% in August.
The negative impacts from weakening global demand were already very notable in the third quarter and are likely to intensify further into the fourth quarter and possibly extending into the early part of next year. Given the increasingly difficult global environment and the highly uncertain situation now in the Eurozone sovereign debt crisis, our economic growth could be rather subdued in the near term. The range of uncertainties for the outlook next year will be unusually high because of the evolving situation in the Eurozone debt crisis.
The economy is now forecast to grow by 5% for 2011 as a whole, the lower boundary of the earlier range forecast of 5 to 6% in the August round.